What's going on, YouTube? I got a 20 Escalade. I bought but 4 months ago. No, I don't have no warranty on it. It's got low miles on it, real low. You know, and I start hearing like a little tick. So I couldn't pinpoint where the tick was coming from. So it didn't sound like a lifter. It was like a little nuisance tick. Now I checked right now, the middle got a little play in it. Not much, but just very little. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but it's just very little. But that's where the ticking was coming from too. So I just got through taking the valve cover off. Now I'm finna start it up and see what we got going on. So make sure ain't nothing in the way. And nothing hitting nothing. So we can get a good clear shot. Get a good clear shot. Right. Everything tightened up, ain't nothing gonna fall in here. So let me put the cap back on it. I don't have no check engine lights. The truck runs smooth. It's just that I got that little bitty ticking and it was a nuisance. It wasn't loud, but I heard it. So I'm addressing the issue before it get worse. So give me a second, let me put the phone down. This back on. Just for now while I started. And the ticking is on the driver's side, passenger side. It's not on the driver's side. All right. So let's go for the